Hi there, I am Liz Romero. I am a full-time instructor at Clovis Community College, and I will be your instructor this summer. I am teaching two different classes. I'm teaching CD 38 or Child Development 38 as well as Child Development 30. So I'm using the same video for both classes because the pages look the same and you can get the same information for both classes. So this is what your home page is going to look like. And I'm actually going to go into a student view to show you what it looks like on your end. So when you first log on to your class, and you can go to courses here to get to your class, you can find information on this homepage for information on me as an instructor. This video will be right here. There are a couple of quick links, one to the syllabus and one that opens email to email me. And then over here are the weekly modules that you can click onto. So I have opened week 1 just for this video. It will not be open when I open this class this week, which is before class starts. So once class starts, I will open week 1 and maybe a couple days ahead of time. But right now it's only open for the purpose of this video. So if you click on to week 2, it's not going to take you, it's not going to open. You can see it's not yet available. But week 1 I did open, so you can actually go into it that way. I also wanted to say down here, there is a student cafe or a discussion board for you to go into to talk to your classmates. So you can ask questions, you can talk to them about anything child development related, anything that is happening, going on right now. Let me see if we can get into, so this is the home, and again, you can get into the modules that way. The other way is over here on the left-hand side of your screen, you can click into modules. So the Start Here module is the module that has, it's a welcome letter, a little bit about me. You can find your syllabus in here, some different policies, some student resources. If you do need a laptop, you should have gotten an email saying that they are giving loaner laptops this summer, as well as fall. So if you're also in fall and you need a laptop, don't let that stop you from taking classes. And then what we're going to do is I want to show you how to get into your weekly work. So week 1, we are looking at chapters 1 and 2. And that, remember, this is, which class is this? This is Child Development 38. So in the Child Development 38 class, but it's the same as Child Development 30, you're going to click into the very first page. And so this is going to give you an idea of what we are going to do for the week. Then you're going to click the next button down at the bottom, and that will take you to the next item to complete. And this is an introduction. So one of the things I did want you to see is that you need to go through each of these tabs to get to the next item, because some of the things that will come up in these pages are videos for you to watch. So here's a video. It's actually 3 videos on this page, and you're going to watch this. This is part of the content, and it will be part of the exam. So going back to home, if you click over here, you see the account button. That is where you can actually change your profile picture. And again, this is not really my account because I'm in the student view. But one of the things I would like you to do, I can't do it on this because I am not a student. So, but on one of the things that I would like you to do is to, under notifications, is to do a push notification on announcements anytime I send out an announcement, as well as grade submission comments. So anytime you submit something and I make a comment, if you look at that. And the reason is is if you did something and I looked at it or graded it before it was due, I might make a comment saying, oh, you forgot this part of the assignment. Make sure you do this. Or if I'm not able to open it, it does need to be a Word document. If you're working from an Apple, I cannot access Pages on my computer. So if it does that, I would have to email you and say, or I would have to comment there and say, please submit it in a Word document. And you should get that as an email right away so you can do that. And that is how you access, oh, here's mine. I just left the student view. So if you see, I get push notifications for almost everything, but I'd really like you to do it for announcement and then submission comments. Okay. And that is all. If you wanted to show you CD30, this is also what CD30 homepage looks like. So it should look familiar to you. And again, I'm going to make the first module, the Start Here module, the only thing available to you right now. But a couple days before class, I'll open up week 1's module and you can get started. But I really would like you to buy the book as well, as quickly as you can. And I have put links to Amazon on where to get it, or you can go to the bookstore and get it there as well. All right, I'm excited for this class and excited to get to know you all better, and I'll talk to you later.